Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to go live in TikTok. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press a notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to simply tap and open TikTok application. First, you need to tap on the plus icon. At the very bottom of right side, you can see the option of live. Tap on it. To let you know, if your TikTok account have less than 1000 followers, then you will not get any option of live. You can only go live when you have above 1000 followers. At your live, you also can add a topic, you can add effects, enhance the video and also share the live video. To go live, you tap in go live. As I am live, this is how you can go live on TikTok. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to go live on TikTok. Thank you.